we'll guide you through how to use Asana on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Safari or Chrome browser and go to the Asana website. Once you're there, log in with your existing account or sign up if you're new. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Asana dashboard. Here, you can see your existing projects and tasks. To create a new project, click on the plus icon, usually located on the top right corner of the screen. Choose either a blank project or select from the available templates. Once you've named your project and chosen a layout, click Create Project. Now, you'll see your project board or list. To add tasks, click the ADD task button, typically found at the top of the task list. Enter the task name, due date, assignee, and any other details you need. You can click on any task to add more specific details or attach files. To keep your tasks organized, consider using sections by clicking the ADD section button. This helps in categorizing tasks within the project. To invite team members to your project, click the Share button and enter their email addresses. This allows them to collaborate and track the progress in real time. If you want to customize your project view, use the VIDU options to toggle between board, list, and calendar views. The calendar view is especially helpful for visualizing deadlines. To check off completed tasks, simply click the checkbox next to the task name. This keeps your project tidy and up to date. Remember, Asana also offers a search bar at the top, which is a quick way to find tasks or projects when you have a lot going on. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.